Why project-based learning is the future of education. Imagine a classroom where students aren't just memorizing facts, but actively building robots, designing websites, and solving real-world problems. Project-based learning, PBL, isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in education, revolutionizing how children learn and prepare for the future. Picture a traditional classroom, rows of desks, textbooks, and students who seem disengaged. Traditional learning often relies heavily on memorization and rote learning. Students absorb information, regurgitate it on tests, and then, let's be honest, often forget it shortly after. Traditional methods have limitations. Students often feel disconnected from the material, leading to disengagement. They may lack the motivation to truly understand the concepts being taught. Traditional learning often fails to foster essential skills. Critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and the ability to apply knowledge in practical situations are often underdeveloped. This stifles creativity and limits the development of crucial 21st century skills like collaboration and communication. In a rapidly changing world, the traditional approach is no longer adequate. We need to equip students with the skills and knowledge to thrive in a dynamic and complex environment. Now imagine a different classroom, a dynamic and engaging space where students are actively collaborating, designing, and building. This is the power of project-based learning, PBL. Project-based learning is an educational approach where students learn by actively engaging in real-world projects. It's about empowering students to become active participants in their own learning journey. The PBL process typically involves several key steps. Students identify a problem, conduct research, collaborate with peers, design solutions, build prototypes, and present their findings. This hands-on experiential approach fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter. PBL is more than just fun and games. It's a powerful tool for developing crucial skills. Students develop critical thinking skills, learn to analyze information effectively, and become adept at complex problem solving. PBL also enhances communication and presentation skills. Students learn to articulate their ideas clearly and confidently, sharing their work with others in a meaningful way. Beyond academic skills, PBL fosters the development of essential personal skills. Students learn time management, take initiative, and develop perseverance in the face of challenges. The focus is on the application of knowledge. Students aren't just memorizing facts, they're developing the skills they need to thrive in a dynamic and ever-changing world. Imagine students presenting their projects with pride, collaborating seamlessly, and demonstrating a deep understanding of the concepts they've learned. PBL is more than just a teaching method, it's a mindset. PBL fosters curiosity, encourages creativity, and empowers students to become lifelong learners. It's about equipping children with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in the 21st century and beyond. It's time to move beyond traditional education and embrace the future of learning. Let's empower our students with project-based learning,